Hi guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy,
hey,
and behind the camera is my son Michael. And as you can see, this pan here, I put it on low is because I was warming it up, heating it up, because we're gonna make some chicken fajitas for you guys today. This is my chicken. Are you ready to see? I cut it in tiny little slices, as you can see, and it had a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, because we don't want the chicken to burn or anything like that. And I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna put it in. And I'm gonna put it in this one. I'm gonna spread it. And it has, I started, it has garlic powder, salt, garlic powder, and salt so far. That's all it has. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna put a little bit of other seasonings, like a little bit of taco seasoning. So we start with the pan, hot oil, the chicken cut up in strips, and it's just salt and garlic powder. And now we're gonna put some taco seasoning, like all over the top. You see, like that, guys? I'm gonna put the taco seasoning like that up now. And then we're going to throw in there, put this on high so the chicken can start cooking. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano, because oregano goes with chicken fajitas, right? And that's the second thing that we put in. And then the third one is a little bit of cumin. You can't make fajitas without cumin. And then we're going to put a little bit of chili powder. Let's see here. Trying to, let me get it now, because I really don't need a spoon on that. This is chili powder, you know, and it's going to be a little bit spicy, but not that bad. Okay. And then we have the fajita seasoning here. This is the one that is good. Let me take the other one. That other one, guys, it was still closed. It was not, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do this like that. And we're going to leave the enchilada seasoning. So this is what's going to make kind of like the color. It's going to get the chicken the color and the broth, okay? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my spatula. I call it spatula because it has little holes in it. And I'm going to turn my chicken like that around. We're going to do the same thing with the seasoning, but on the other side. Okay? Looking nice, right? I mean, it's already smelling like totally, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
Like the chicken fajita that I'm going to be serving for my family. Okay? So we're going to turn it on that side. And what am I going to do, guys? Going to go like that on the other side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat that again. Taco seasoning on this side. Not a lot, just a little, you know, sliver. Like a teaspoon, guys, okay? That's what you're going to put. A teaspoon on this side. That is not a lot, okay? A little bit there. A little bit more of that chili powder. A little bit of fajita seasoning. Like that. And now we're going to use the enchilada seasoning. Before we put that enchilada seasoning, we're going to mix it. See that? See that, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And some of them are not like fully cooked because we just started this, but it's starting to like give you that color. So that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of this enchilada seasoning on this plate here. This is like a tablespoon and a half. And we're going to put a little bit of water, about a little bit like this. Okay? And then with the same spoon that we're moving and trying to make the fajitas with, you can just stir that. You don't need to go get a fork and get it all dirty or anything like that. So we're going to sit that there like that for now. Now, what we're going to do is, you can see there's onions and green peppers and red peppers that I have here. I chopped it before I started all this, so we didn't have to be cutting. I have cut onions and peppers before. You guys have seen me doing it. So if you guys want to review, right? On how to cut these the way I did like this very tiny, you can just go ahead and look for that video. We have it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all this and put it on the top like that. The onion and the peppers. Okay. And this enchilada powder that I had, I'm going to pour it right in the middle like that. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to lower, I'm going to lower the flame. Okay. And we're going to let this cook. That smells really good, Michael. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
If it doesn't have to be, you know, guys, I'm going to put a little bit more water because I would like a little bit of just broth. Not a lot, but I'm going to put the water just right in here. Leave that on high. We're going to let it simmer like 5 minutes. I mean, on high. Not simmer. What's that word for that, Michael? Like, you know, cook. And I'm going to do a little taste right now before I do any of that, guys. With my finger. Wow. It's 100%, Michael. And it has that kick from the chili powder. This is chili. This is hot chili peppers. You know that, right?
Oh, yeah.
And that's how you have it in there. Now, hold on a second. I am going to lower very little like that. And I'm going to put a little bit more water. I know you guys probably go, how much water did you put? Well, you don't want to see it like dry. So that's the reason I'm putting a little bit. And I can actually put a little bit more because I did put like a tablespoon and a half of enchilada powder, right? And that's what makes you see. You can make your broth with that, and that's like 100%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes we'll be back, and that will be done. So that's all you got to do. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you want to go ahead and go back to it and watch it from the beginning and learn how to do it, go ahead. And if you actually go ahead and make it, let me know how it came out. That'll be real nice to know. It makes me happy inside. And I just want to let you know that we are on TikTok, on Pinterest, and also right here on YouTube. And if you want to donate, it will be so helpful. If I can get $1 from you guys, just donate $1. That's all I need, $1. You can donate that dollar every month. It will help tremendously with the buying of the food, so we can continue making these videos. And the only reason I'm asking is because the food is so expensive, and sometimes you don't have like enough money to do everything all together. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go, and just stay tuned because we're gonna be right back. Okay, guys, so I think you go. Let's go in here. You see how nice it is? You guys can make some yellow rice also if you guys want. Put it over white rice, yellow rice, some mashed potatoes, some plátanos, I mean, whatever you want. Me, personally, I put a little tortilla flour here, Michael. You can show that over here. Let me just take the tortilla out. I heated it up. I'm going to put one in there. Okay, let's turn this off. Like that for me. One torta. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my lettuce like that on top. I don't like to put a sour cream or anything like that. This is how I like them. And well, look, it's nice and toasted from the oven. I'm going to take a bite. And these little tortas, I have corn ones. But this guy, wow, it's delicious. Come on, Michael. Show people this again so they can see how pretty this looks. Look at that, guys. Look. It's amazing. It has the perfect salt on it. It has the perfect everything. And before I go, I took 1 tablespoon of vinegar because I forgot. And I put it in and moved it. And I cover it. And it covered like for 1.5 minutes. That was before we came back and we finished it. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Go ahead and make it if you want. Rewind it many times as you want. Go back, make it, and after you make it, let me know how it came out, okay? It gives me a lot of joy to do this for you guys. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. You know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and always remember, guys, don't drink and drive.